They're not old, mad, and ugly yet.
And I bet
the best part.
You could do this for a good 7 or 8 hours.
This way. Hey, you.
You're too involved.
Movie out of what is?
Now I have to get.
No offense, but you can actually do this same thing with pizza and college students.
That is true. Or donuts. You work for donuts.
That's true.
And then the rain starts again.
Oh, is it?
Yep.
I did. Whoa, there's a lot of them.
Wow.
Yeah, you guys don't like getting wet, huh?
Oh my
Oh,
god.
we're gonna
He
get
is
tired?
going ballistic on these jeans.
That one back there, he's the
You can't do that with a dog, really. Or at least my dog will not do
No, they're
that.
too smart.
Yeah.
Cat on cat violence.
I do. Hello, this is Christine.
Oh. Oh, God.
Wow, that's some skills.
How are you?
Holy cow.
Maybe we should get down.
What the heck?
Dude's like part Spider-Man.
Is it going up the side now?
Yes,
Yeah, I can see climbing up a hay bale, but
We actually placed the order directly with Valve. At the Valve on 33rd and Holdridge.
Is this one up here scared or just
They
tired?
may not know.
He's a little skittish. Like, when you go to touch him, he kind of looks at you funny. Oh.
Bother the adult cat.
Make a change to the order?
You're gonna scratch me if I try to pet you.